Hello, good morning everyone. Unvetica.eth here for another garage chat. Now in the last episode that I posted, I mentioned the work I had been doing with the Ethereum Study Master program. Now for those of you who are unfamiliar with that program or didn't watch the last video, effectively the footnotes here is that it was a program started by Superfizz in the ETHStaker Reddit community. And the purpose of that was, it was a 10-week course to study and learn Ethereum 2.0 Serenity and the technical underpinnings. It was a very technical course. That course, though, has blown up and broadened to the point where I now am developing the permanent web presence for that platform, specifically EthereumStudyMaster.com. Now, the reason I bring that up is because this is a ETHStaker community-led project. Even though I'm developing it and will be publishing it, it's overall driven by the ETHStaker community. And that is one initiative that we're doing. So we've got the Ethereum Study Master program, we've got the Ethereum Due Diligence Committee, we've done things like the trivia show, and we've got an we have a upcoming validator workshop that we'll be hosting as well, where anyone can sign up, and we'll go from installing the operating system to configuring the validator software to spinning up the actual validator. These are just a small example of the many different things that the ETHStaker community is doing and trying to promote and push. One, just to keep things fun, but two, to make sure that we're all learning together. This is just as new to us as it is to you, as it is to everyone else. And by doing this as a community, as a group together, we can learn more, we can be more efficient, and we can have fun during this entire process. The reason I bring this up is because everything that we do as ETHStaker moderators and as a community is volunteer-based. Nothing we do is compensated. It's for the love of the game. It's because we're passionate about the network. We're passionate about what it's going to do for real-world applications. So we want to make sure that we're helping the overall Ethereum protocol be adopted, basically. And the reason I bring that up is because the Ethereum Foundation has opened up grants for the community. And I'm excited for two reasons. One, because I think the ETHStaker community will be acknowledged and compensated for some of these initiatives that we've been responsible for. But more importantly, what I'm excited for are the rest of the community just in general, just Ethereum as a big umbrella, not just ETHStaker community. And I say that because the community grants are open to anybody. And I like it because the way that the Ethereum Foundation has it phrased is it doesn't matter if you have a concept, if it's just a raw idea that you have, you can totally apply for it and still get funding. If it's somewhere in between, maybe you've got an MVP or a demo of something that you're trying to build out, that's totally fine too, and you can apply for that and hope to get funding. Likewise, if you have a fully fledged working application and you've already got a community base around it, even better. The Ethereum Foundation would love to hear from you and potentially fund that idea. And I really want to encourage and challenge people to look into the Ethereum Foundation's grant process. It is a very unintrusive process. It's a handful of questions. It's just an online form that you fill out. The rest of the responsibilities on the EF for them to sort through everything and then vet what should be funded and what shouldn't be. But the reason I encourage you is because part of the reason that Ethereum is so successful is because of the community that we have around it. It is positive, it is welcoming, it is extremely knowledgeable, and I want to see that get pushed forward along with Ethereum 2.0. I see these as two entities working in tandem, and I think that's incredibly important to acknowledge, and the very reason that the Ethereum Foundation opened up these grants, because they acknowledge that as well. So the point here is I'm saying no idea is too small, and that you should apply for grants if you are doing some sort of community-based project. So for example, that could be something like data visualization, could be something like community events, community calls. They have a full list on the grant application page. In fact, I will link that to the bottom of this YouTube video so it's easier for you to check out. But that's all for today. I think part of the magic that Ethereum has is the overwhelming support and community that surrounds it. So this is a great opportunity for those of you that have been putting in tons and tons of work and countless hours of volunteering. This is one opportunity for you to take advantage of to be compensated for that time. All right, so I hope everyone's doing great. Have a great week, and we'll see you again.